Imagine you're sitting at your computer, frustrated beyond belief. You've tried everything to get TouchBistro to work for your restaurant, but it just won't cooperate. So you've decided enough is enough. You're going to delete your account and find a POS system that actually works. But how do you do that? That's what we're going to answer today. Ever felt like you're trapped in a digital relationship you can't escape? That's kind of how it feels when you're trying to break up with TouchBistro. It's like they're holding your data hostage and refusing to let go. Before we dive into the steps on how to delete your TouchBistro account, let's talk about why you might want to do this. Maybe you're switching to a different POS system. Maybe you're closing your restaurant. Or maybe you're just tired of TouchBistro's BS. Whatever the reason, deleting your account is a simple process. Step-by-step guide. Okay, let's get down to business. Here's how to delete your TouchBistro account. Log in to your TouchBistro account. Click on the Settings tab. Select Account Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Delete Account. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to delete your account. Click Confirm, and that's it. Your account will be deleted. Additional tips. Before you delete your account, make sure you have all your data backed up. This includes your sales data, inventory data, and customer information. Once your account is deleted, you will not be able to recover your data. So, make sure you have everything you need before you hit the delete button. Common issues and solutions. There are a few common issues that people encounter when trying to delete their TouchBistro account. Here are some solutions. If you're having trouble logging into your account, try resetting your password. If you're still having problems, contact TouchBistro support. If you're not getting a confirmation email after deleting your account, check your spam folder. That's it. That's how to delete your TouchBistro account. It's a simple process, but it can be a little daunting if you're not sure what you're doing. I hope this video has helped you understand the steps involved. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and if you're looking for a new POS system, be sure to check out my other videos. I've done reviews of several popular options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.